We all want to look handsome, but have you ever thought that what should we do to look handsome? If you want to look handsome, then this video is just for you. Definitely watch this video completely. In this video, I will give you 5 tests that will make you look handsome very quickly. See, first of all, let me tell you what it means to look handsome. Looking handsome does not mean that you are very fair. Your face is very good, so you are handsome. Or are you dark and your looks are not very good, so you are not handsome. Looking handsome means how you are representing yourself in front of another person. If that representation is good, then you are handsome, and if that representation is bad, then no matter how good your face is, no matter how fair you are, you will not be called handsome. So you have understood this thing. Let's come to our first tip. Because above all, let me tell you, if you guys want to look handsome, then you have to take a lot of care of your hair, and it is related to that hair only. How to keep our hair cut also depends on how handsome we are going to look. Always keep one thing in mind: if your face is small, then you should keep slightly bigger hairs, and if your face is big, then you can keep small hairs too. Just keep in mind that according to your overall body, your face should not look too big. And don't look too small. So how can you make your face smaller and bigger? By canal, you mean if you cut your hair from side to side and keep some like this, or there are many such cuts. If you keep it, then it is joke type. This hair cutting is going on a lot in today's time, and it looks very attractive too. Coming to tip number 2, let me tell you one thing about bits. If you have a full-grown beard, then this is going to suit you very well. But here it is also to be kept in mind that if your bed has not come properly, you have years, then you should remain 3 safe. Always keep this in mind, that you should never place beer or low bids. If your hair is coming full, then keep it, or you can keep a struggle, in which you keep the hair of your bed small, then it also looks good. But if you mean less, then you don't have to bid at all. You have to stay clean. After that, come on tip number 3. Look at what do is about. Always keep one thing in mind. No matter how good you look in appearance, if your body is not in that order, you can never look attractive or handsome if your body smells bad. So always keep in mind that smell should not come from your body. So what can you do? You do it daily. This is a normal thing. Everyone knows, but you must use dew. You are going anywhere, it is normal even at home, so a little dew on your body, or you can use it on your clothes. Make sure to keep them on so that the smell does not come from your body. Tip number 4 is exercise. I have told you in many of my videos before that if you want to look handsome, then it is very important for you to exercise. I am not saying that you should go to the gym. You can do a little twisted exercise at your home. What happens by doing exercise is that many hormones are released in our body, and along with exercising, sweat comes out of our body, which is a toxic substance. They come out. Our pores open up, which is our body. It starts taking oxygen very well, due to which our skin becomes glowing. So keep this in mind. If you want to look handsome, then glowing skin is very important. So if you do exercise, your skin will gradually become fairer and you will start looking handsome. After that, on your last trip, which is a pro tip, I have already told you that looking handsome means how you are representing yourself in front of others. And the most important thing here is that no matter how handsome you are, how good you look, if you do not have confidence, your communication skills, your way of speaking is not good. If you are not a kind person, then you can never look handsome. So always keep one thing in mind: if you want to look very handsome, you want everyone to ask about you. You should develop all these things. If there is any deficiency in you, you cannot speak well with anyone. There is a lack of confidence in you, so you have to correct it gradually. One by one they will have to sort out your problem, and when your confidence will increase, your communication skills will become strong, then you will become the most handsome. If this is the only fitness related video you want, then subscribe to our channel.